Section 2.2 is on subsets. Objective 1. Recognize subsets in use of notation. What is a subset? In simple terms, it is when all the elements of one set are also elements of another set. The formal definition is set A is a subset of set B, expressed as A is a subset of B. If every element in set A is also an element in set B. Example 1. Is A a subset of set B? A is including elements 2, 4, 6, and 8, and set B is including elements 2, 4, 6, 8, and 10. So yes, A is a subset of B because all the elements in set A are also in set B. Example 2. Is A a subset of set B? If A is such that X is a month that ends in bird, and B is the set such that X is a month, then yes, the objects in set A make it a subset of set B. Objective 2 of section 2.2 is to recognize proper subsets in the use of notation. What is a proper subset? If we know that set A is a subset of set B and we exclude the possibility of the sets being equal, then set A is called a proper subset of set B. The formal definition states, set A is a proper subset of set B, expressed as A is a proper subset of B, if set A is a subset of set B and sets A and B are not equal. In example 1, determine if the following set is a subset, a proper set, or both. In set A, it is such that X is a person living in Tallahassee. In set B, it is such that X is a person living in Florida. The answer is A is a subset of B because all the elements in A are also included in the set of B. And also, A is a proper subset of B because the two sets are not equal. In example 2, determine if the subset, proper subset, or both applies to the example following. Set A includes the elements 59, 60, 61, and 62, and set B includes the elements 62, 61, 60, and 59. The answer is that A is a subset of B, but it is not a proper subset because the two sets are equal. Also note that every set is a subset of itself. The last objective in section 2.2 includes the empty set and how to determine the number of subsets of a set. The empty set as a subset. The empty set, written as 2 bars with nothing in the middle, or a 0 with a line through it, is a subset of every set. Also, the empty set is a proper subset of every set except itself. The formal definition says, for any set B, the empty set is a subset of set B. Also, for any set B other than the empty set is a proper set of set B. The number of subsets of a given set. The number of subsets of a set with n amount of elements can be found using the equation 2 raised to the n. The number of proper subsets of a set with n elements can be found by using the equation 2 raised to the n minus 1. In example number 1, find the number of subsets and proper subsets. If A includes elements red, orange, yellow, green, blue, indigo, and violet, find the number of subsets. We can use this by using the equation 2 raised to the n, or 2 raised to the 7 because there are 7 elements in our set, which equals 128. Then finding the number of proper subsets, we use the equation 2 raised to the n minus 1, which is 2 raised to the 7 minus 1, or 1 less than the number of subsets, which equals 127.